Number one, Madam Chair, I respectfully submit the following. Number one, the testimony is entirely uncorroborated and rests solely on the word of a detained criminal suspect.
You are touching on the credibility again.
Ma'am, but
And
this is about
please,
the
it has been
testimony.
amply discussed, Honorable Marcoleta, that even suspects are presumed innocent. Hindi pa po convicted si Ramil Madriaga, and he is entitled to that presumption. So let us refrain from making reference to the fact that he is detained in going against the contents of the affidavit.
Ano lang po ang pwede kong sabihin, ma'am?
Anything that is about,
Ang
that is
nangyayari kasi
contained
dito,
in the affidavit.
Madam
ang
Chair.
gusto lang pong mapakinggan dito kay kung ano lang naaayon sa mga miyembro dito. Paano po yung mga
You
posisyon naman
are,
na nasa kabila?
you are making mention about the fact that he is a detainee because of your intention to question his credibility. Paul
Ransom.
Marcoreta, if I may
Parliamentary
interrupt.
inquiry, Madam Chair.
Yes, what's the
Madam Chair,
parliamentary
may I
inquiry?
know if member of this committee is allowed to make an observation?
A manifestation, ma'am, is tantamount to an
Honorable
observation.
Marcoleta, please allow the chair to answer. Non-members are allowed to manifest, but they cannot raise question, they cannot vote.